Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Tuesday, the 20th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In regular math, we've got practice 3.5. The accelerated class has practice 5.4. Both assignments can be found within your Big Ideas classroom. We also have our extra credit number 3 that is due Thursday coming up. Remember, all of our math journal notes, they can be found within Google Classroom. In regular science, we've got our matter review sheet with our matter quiz coming up Thursday. In the accelerated class, we have a lesson review, page 469, with our Adams test Thursday. In social studies, this is very, very important to take a look at here, as this has been a change. You need to study for your government quiz. This will be tomorrow. It was supposed to be on Thursday originally. The first half of tomorrow is going to be review, and then we will take the quiz. In language arts, we need to continue working on our letter so that you will have the final letter and checklist done by the end of class tomorrow. In the accelerated class, you need to have your friendly letter checklist. Be ready to print upon arrival to class on Wednesday. For literature, regular lit, you need to read 30 minutes for AR, while the accelerated class has to read 40 minutes. In careers in life, you need to watch the kitchen safety video. You need to tell Mrs. Music what the person in the video is doing wrong and what she should do instead. Please fill in all the boxes. And if you are an FCS 6, you need to finish version 2 or be very close to having it finished. That's going to be it for this Tuesday. Hopefully everyone stays warm out there, and we'll see you tomorrow.